Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get your IBAN number for HSBC Bank. First of all, the quickest and easiest is by logging on to our mobile banking app or online banking. Just follow these steps. From the main account screen, choose the account you want, then go to Statements, then select any recent statement. You will see your IBAN and BIC or SWIFT code on the right side of the statement above the transaction list. You can also find your IBAN and BIC or SWIFT code on your paper statements. If you have an HSBC currency account, you can find your IBAN and BIC or SWIFT code by logging on to online banking and looking in the details section above your currency account transactions. If you have recently opened a current account, you will also find your IBAN and BIC code in your welcome letter. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.